Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up and repair report for Rodney in North Carolina on this RCI-2970N4. Rodney, got it ready to go for you. All we had to do to repair on this is we replaced your mic jack, and then we did our tune and alignment. Prior to that, at any power level, you had no forward average power swing. It still showed several hundred watts peak, but no forward average. So this ought to work better for what you're going to do. All right, power all the way down. We did set it up so it'll turn down to 12 watts, 1000 watt slug, and it rolls right up to 100. I'm going to show you average power swing. About 230, 240 bird average, 1000 watt slug and peak. And about 580 peak. And that's at our bench voltage of 14.3 volts. You can do more or less, whatever you want to do. Hope you enjoy it, Rodney. From your friend Truck at truckcbsales@gmail.com. Bump bump.